Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone! In this video I will show how to play Minecraft on ROG Ally. First, it's crucial to ensure your device has all essential Windows updates completed. You can check this through the My Asus app or Windows settings. The ROG Ally runs a full version of Windows, which means you can install and play Minecraft just like on any other PC. We'll cover both Java and Bedrock editions, so you can enjoy your preferred version of the game on this powerful handheld. Now, let's get Minecraft installed. Open the Microsoft Store on your ROG Ally and make sure you are logged into your Microsoft account. Search for Minecraft and then proceed to install the official Minecraft launcher. Once the launcher finishes installing, open it. It might update itself, and then you'll need to log in with the Microsoft account that owns your Minecraft game. The launcher should automatically recognize your ownership, and you'll be ready to download the full game. Getting your controls right is key for an enjoyable experience. If you're playing Minecraft Bedrock Edition, you'll find that it offers excellent out-of-the-box controller support on the ROG Ally. For those who prefer Java Edition, you might need a controller mod, such as Controllable, to enable seamless gamepad input. Additionally, the ROG Ally's Armory Crate software is fantastic for creating and managing custom control profiles, allowing you to fine-tune your gameplay for any edition of Minecraft. To get the best performance, open Armory Crate and adjust your operating mode. Turbo mode, for example, can provide up to 30 watts of power when plugged in, boosting your frame rates. In Minecraft's video settings, consider setting your render distance to around 12 chunks for a smoother experience, especially in busy areas. If you encounter stuttering or inconsistent frame rates, try disabling AFF or AMD fluid motion frames, as Minecraft sometimes performs better without it. These tweaks will help ensure a great gameplay experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.